Good afternoon, everybody. Coming to you today. I've got me a customer here that went and had some work done someplace. They went and replaced some axle joints in his Dodge truck here. Little Cummins 12 valve. They changed the joints out. They charged him a little over $1,200 to change these joints out in the truck. But they took it apart and they put it back together with bad wheel bearings. Don't know if you can hear that or if you can see the slop in it. When you've got the tires on it, it really shows hard. This one here is the same way. You grab a hold of the tires from top to bottom and pull on them, and it really kicks some tires right out. Well, he got the job back, and he still had the sound of a mad woodchuck underneath there. And he went and put brand new tires on it and stuff, and brought it here, and I put it up on the lift and found these buggers just right off the get-go. This isn't one of them guys that's a cheap son of a gun either. He wanted it done right. But this isn't a real easy job because you've got to knock all the studs out to get the rotor off from the bearing. We're going to take and put it all back together for him. Upper and lower ball joints, everything checked out all right. Universal joints were installed real good too. We'll get it all back together for him and send him on down the road. And we ain't going to charge him nowhere near what he was charged before. That's kind of scary. This is one of them things left speechless, and that's hard for me to do till after I've had a little bit of time to think about it. Then I've got plenty to say. But you all out there, you have a great day. Be safe. And if you still got a noise after the job's done, take it back. Have them check it out a little bit farther. We'll see you all around. Be safe out there, and thank you very much. Bye.